How to set up iPad A16. First, turn on the iPad. Press and hold the top power button until the Apple logo appears. Second, choose language and country. Select your language, country or region, and text size if asked. Third, connect to Wi-Fi. Choose your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Fourth, set up Touch ID. Place your finger on the power button several times to register your fingerprint. Fifth, create a passcode. Choose a 6-digit code or a custom password. This protects your iPad. Sixth, sign in with an Apple account. Log into your Apple account. This enables App Store, iCloud, FaceTime, and Find My iPad, together with much more. If you don't have one, simply create a free Apple ID. And then, seventh, transfer data. You can transfer data from an old iPhone or iPad, restore from an old iCloud backup, or set up as new. Eighth, enable Find My iPad. This helps locate the iPad if lost or stolen. And then finish the setup. After setup finishes, swipe up to enter home screen. Open the App Store and start downloading apps. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.